Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is full body yoga. Let's begin. Let's take tabletop pose on your floor. Palms underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. And inhale, open your chest. And exhale, roll your back. Inhale, arch your back. And exhale, roll your back. Inhale, widen your collarbones. And exhale, tuck your chin. Inhale, gaze up. Exhale, look toward the navel. Inhale, tailbone up toward the sky. And exhale, thrust shoulder blades out toward the ceiling. And back to center. Let's take downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Shavasana. And 5 deep breaths here. Inhale. Through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Cultivate Ujjayi Pranayama. Ujjayi breath. And exhale. The length of inhale exhalation should be the same length. Long inhale and long deep exhale. Now next inhale in, right leg up. And exhale, step between your hands, back heel down, keep your hips square, and warrior one, Virabhadrasana A. Back heel pressing down very strong. Knee cap lifting up, left knee cap lifting up toward the ceiling. Keep your hips square, left hip bringing forward, and knee bend toward pinky. And inhale to lengthen. Exhale to sink your hips down. Inhale and exhale. Bring your arms down. Now back heel up. Inhale, lunge pose. From here, start to open your chest to the side and open up your arms. Twisted crescent lunge. Inhale and exhale to twist. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale to twist your upper body. Back heel pressing against invisible wall. Don't move your right knee. And left kneecap lifting up. Back heel pressing against invisible wall. And straight back to center. Okay, now back heel down. From here, palms, if you are flexible, palms together. Or if it's too much, hug your elbows. Either way, from here, inhale, open up chest, and exhale, forward bend. Side intense stretch. Make sure front toe pressing down. All 10 toes open wide and press down. The outer edge of back foot pressing down. Kneecap lifting up toward your belly. After 5 breaths, inhale halfway, exhale all the way up. Okay, now open your toes 45-degree angle. And either back knee up or tuck your toes. Or flatten your toes and bring back knee down either way. So your variation, and inhale, heel to ground straight. And exhale, slowly bring your forearm down. Maybe just for one arm for now. Or if you feel like you want to bring other elbow down, feel free to do so. And slightly gaze forward so that energy always moving forward. Heel to ground, one line. Always walk on Ujjayi Pranayama. Breathing is the most important thing in yoga practice. After 5 breaths, slowly bring your upper body up. Okay, now, back knee down. Toes are either activate or flat. And slowly bring your hip to the heel. Inhale back straight. And exhale forward bend. Keep your toes flexed so that you can get the maximum stretch on the back of your leg. Soften your shoulder. If you notice any tension you are holding, make sure to use your breath, especially exhale, to release any tension which no longer serves you. After 5 breaths, slowly bring your upper body forward. Plant your hands and right knee meet with your left. And inhale, exhale. Let's take downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. And inhale, left leg swing up. And exhale, step between. Back heel down, keep hips square. Swing your arms up. Warrior 1, Virabhadrasana A. Strong foundation. Back heel pressing down, back foot, outer edge of back foot pressing down, strong as well. And fingertip reaching towards sky. Fingertip reach, foot pressing down, opposite direction. Strengthen your core. And now release, back heel up. Inhale, exhale, front knee bend. Start twisting your upper body. Make sure back heel pressing against invisible wall, strong. Back kneecap, lifting up toward the ceiling. Shoulder blades together, open up the chest. After 5 deep breaths, back to center. Okay, now back heel down. Same variation of your hands. Inhale, exhale, forward bend, side intense stretch. Make sure front kneecap lifting up. Front toe pressing down. Back heel outer edge of your back foot pressing down and both kneecap lifting up. And try to relax your upper body. Get the maximum stretch on front leg and back leg very strong. Inhale halfway, exhale all the way up and release your hands. Open your toes 45-degree angle. Inhale, exhale, palms down. Same variation of your leg. Either flatten your toes, knee down, or knee up and bend your toes. Inhale, heel to the crown, one line. Tuck your core. Exhale slowly. If you feel, you can stay here. If you want to slowly bring your elbow down. Maybe one elbow, stay there. And maybe other elbow. And gaze slightly forward so that energy moving forward. Relax your shoulders. Relax your neck. Create space between each vertebra. And if you sense some tightness around your hips, around the glute, inhale, exhale to relax. Soften your muscle. Soften your chest. And slowly bring your upper body up. And back knee down. And shift your hips to the heel. Front toes flex. Front knee stretch. Inhale, exhale, forward bend. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, soften your upper body like a feather. Relax your shoulders. Walk on pranayama, breath. Keep front toes flexed to get hamstring and calf stretch. Now, slowly bring your upper body forward and left knee meet with your right. Inhale, exhale. Take downward facing dog. Let's take 5 breaths here. Inhale, exhale for 1. Heel down. Tailbone high. Inhale, exhale for 2. Inside of your elbow, eyes of elbow pointing forward. Inhale, exhale for 3. Gaze between your legs. Inhale, exhale for 4. Chest get close to your sides. Inhale, exhale for 5. Inhale, on your toes, bend your knee, look forward, step or jump. Inhale, halfway up, Adha Uttanasana. Exhale, forward bend, Uttanasana. Inhale, swing your arms up. And exhale, heart center and Samasthi. This sequence is great to get a quick full body workout. I recommend you do it every other day. Also, check out my other videos in the comment section and make sure to subscribe to my channel to select the bell option to get notified of my future episodes. See you soon!